What if there was a way to actually make a passive amount of income simply by using a trading strategy that can make you money while you're actually sleeping? Yes, I'm talking about taking, income, profits that you made from the markets, meaning when you are actually trading, okay, taking that income that you're making, whether it's going to be on a weekly or a monthly basis, and just basically reinvesting into yourself. All right. I'm going to share with you 3 options and ways that you can actually do this. We're really honestly talking about making money while you're not even awake, while you're simply resting, 6 to 8 hours a night, regardless of how much time you spend, as long as you're resting, allowing your money that you have made profits from trading to make you more money. Okay. The number one way to be able to do this, and I'm going to share with you a strategy here in a second of how you can profit from the markets, okay? I'm going to share with you. Let's talk about that first. Let's back up. Let's talk about that first. I'm going to share with you this strategy right quick, and if you want more insight or more detailed information surrounding the strategy, because this is the strategy that so many people who are part of the Discord community, and especially those who are part of the private community, those that are elite and ultra elite supporters, this is how they're actually, finding a way to become consistently profitable, finding a way to make money, finding a way to start as a beginner trader and use a strategy that is helping them pass their evaluations and challenges through prop firms, or some of them actually funding their own personal live brokerage accounts. Okay. Now, we're going to talk about the 3 options. I'm going to cover that, but we're talking about supply and demand. All the strategy is getting the direction of the market correct. I talk about that all the time. It's very important. Market structure is the binding glue in the concept to this all. Once you have identified, and always start with the higher base chart. Let me reemphasize that. Start from a higher base chart to identify structure, and that will put you in the direction of which way the market is moving. That's really all you need, other than using top-down analysis from a higher chart down to a lower chart to look for your entries. Now, say for example, if the market is bullish to the upside, and we are breaking structure, and a breaking structure is one of the most critical and key components to how I actually trade. I have to have a breaking structure where there's a demand or a supply zone resting in, okay? And I have to have where I'm basically moving with the direction of the market. If you're a beginner trader, let me say this right now. When looking for the opportunities at supply and demand areas, that's aggressive buying and selling that the institutions have created, you want to move and trade with the direction of your higher base chart. So if we are constantly breaking structure to the upside, and we reverse, say for example right here, and are very bullish to the upside, today was a prime example of a beautiful area of demand resting right here, where there was a high probability zone, and I talk about all these different factors, a high probability zone, gaps, imbalances, market structure breaks, BOS. I talk about all these things to our elite and our ultra elite supporters, where I break down every trade that I pretty much take in detail. These are trades that I post over on the Discord community, and I break them down in detail, which is basically covering the premise or the mindset behind the strategy and how I trade. If you want access to that information, I highly recommend you become either an elite or an ultra elite supporter. It's very inexpensive. You can join as little as $6.99 a month, which is 24 cents on the day. The link is down in the description. It's titled Elite and Ultra Elite Supporter, okay, or member. Click on that and you choose the option, either the elite or the ultra elite tier you want to actually join. This is all through the YouTube tier management program, okay, or membership program, okay, here on the channel. Now, so we want to identify the direction and get that correct first. Then we want to identify from the higher chart, okay, so we're identifying the direction from the higher chart. We want to identify, once we've figured out which way it's moving, we want to identify demand setups if the market is very bullish to the upside. We can see the constant areas where the market is breaking structure to the upside here. It pulls back to a key area of demand right here. This is a high probability setup, which again, I discussed to all those and break down for the elite and the ultra elite supporters who are part of that community, that private community. Market comes back here, beautiful area where aggressive buying to the upside that broke above, okay, an area of structure right there. Taps back into it, and look what we have, a blast off to the upside. So imagine getting into a trade somewhere around about 650, 660, 670, and taking this all the way up to where it breaks now this high here, which was the high on the day, and it's the most recent area of structure or high that's being broken to the upside right there at 25,780. So imagine getting in here at say 670 and taking it all the way up to 770. Okay, that's a 100-point move right there. 100 points. Okay, there are 4 ticks in every point on the NASDAQ, so that's 400 ticks. All right. Imagine if you're trading the micro futures, how much that could be. Or imagine if you're trading the standard E-minis, how much that really could be. All right. So these are the type of things, this is the strategy and how I trade that allows me to make an income and profit from the markets, which I take the income and a percentage of that, and then I reinvest back into myself. I reinvest back into the markets, and I'm going to give you some options and some ways that can actually help you. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a CPA. This is just the selection of things that I do on a personal basis that have helped me in terms of continuing to grow my money, to grow with growth over time. Okay. So if you're looking for other income streams other than, just day trading, for example, or other income streams that you may have that you can invest in, meaning the profits and the income that you're taking to be able to continue to have other means of income streams, okay, basically making passive income while you're actually sleeping. Number one, let's talk about, not to say buy into, but take money and deposit it into your high yield savings account. Find a high yield savings bank that you can actually open up and position or deposit money into that account, right? Okay, whether it's $50 a week or $50 a month, $100 a month, whatever you have that's extra income, okay, or profits from day trading, take a percent of that and put it into a high yield savings account. Now, a couple years ago, maybe a year ago, up to 2 years ago, these things were as high as 5.25%, up to almost 6%. Some of them, okay, 5.25%, 5.5%. Now the rates have lowered, so with that means that when rates lower, that means that the interest rates lower. That means like the rates that are the annual rate of returns, like for example, on a high yield savings account, will actually lower just as well. Okay. So now you may be looking at maybe like 3.5%, 4%, maybe as high as 4.25%. If you can find 4.5%, that's great. But there are some great banks out there that offer high yield savings. Just look them up. Go to Google, type in high yield savings bank accounts, okay, or saving accounts. So some of the, I guess I would say the top paying or saving accounts that are high yield, that pay a great return in reference to their interest rates would be like SoFi. For example, they do, I believe right now, 4%, maybe a little bit higher than that. And in 2026, you're also going to have like Capital One, Markets, which is by Goldman Sachs. You also have other ones like Barclays. So there are options out there. Just go online, use Google, search some of the best or top or highest paying high yield savings accounts right now. Okay, that's going to give you a good return on your money, especially the more you put into it every single month. You're going to start to see where things ramp up to where it could be, anywhere from $40, $50 a month to where you start making hundreds or thousands of dollars a month, depending on how much you actually invest. So start investing now into yourself by putting money away into a high yield savings account. Take a percentage of whatever you're profiting from your trading income using that fantastic strategy. One that I in particular share here. I'm not telling anyone to choose what I use, but it does work. And if you want to find a way to be able to be consistently profitable, take a look at the strategy. Okay. I always tell people, if you have something that works for you, then stick with that. If you don't, always give something a try. Okay. Now, again, that's through high yield savings. That's a way to make a passive income and to make money basically while you're actually resting at nighttime, when you're laying your head down. Another great thing is going to be start investing into other areas within the market. Say, for example, maybe open up a Roth IRA for yourself. Okay. That's going to help you over time. Now, this is for long term compounding just as well as long-term growth of your actual money. But it's still passive income because this money in which I'm talking to you about now, if you invest into a Roth IRA, and let's say you put a couple $100 in there extra each month, whatever you have that's extra that you can put into there, I would definitely, look into possibly seeking out the option of a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA. Now, again, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor nor CPA. I'm just telling you some areas in where people can actually position and put money into the markets or basically reinvest into themselves so that they can have long-term growth and also receive some passive income. This is a great way through the means of a Roth IRA to position yourself to where you can receive a passive income amount when, as you're reaching that age of actual retirement and it being tax-free. Okay. That's what a Roth IRA, it's where you're taking money that is, you've already been taxed on, income money that's already been taxed on today, investing it for tomorrow to receive a passive income amount, when you are reached that age of actual retirement, okay? And it's not taxed on, okay? It's not taxed on at all. It's tax free, to be honest with you, okay? So the choice is yours. I'm just telling you that for an option. It's a great opportunity. Again, I talked about this before. There are income limits when it comes to investing into or putting money away into a Roth IRA, but they are a great financial tool. So speak to a financial advisor or CPA, to see what your options are, or do your own homework online, and because there's lots of information that can educate you just as well online. The third option is going to be this right here. Now, what you can also do is basically invest some of that income, some of that money that you're making, the profits you're making from trading, into, let's say, a ETF, which is an exchange traded fund, okay, or a mutual fund account, whatever it may be, or a mutual fund that actually pays you an actual dividend. Lots of businesses are paying dividends, or lots of funds are paying dividends, okay, on a quarterly basis. All right. So just imagine receiving some dividend amount through means that's passive income from your high yield savings account. Okay. Receiving some passive income also from a dividend paying ETF or mutual fund. Okay. Imagine doing that, and also, while investing a little bit of money into something like, say, a Roth IRA. There are areas in which you possibly want to start setting yourself up, and positioning money into certain, levels or buckets throughout your life, putting money away that can help you over time so you can have multiple streams of passive income. All right, we're talking about high yield savings. All right, we're talking about putting money away for long-term growth, which is still considered passive income. The beautiful thing about Roth IRAs is that they can be tax-free as long as, again, like I said, you don't oversee or go over, the income limit. Okay, for like single filers, it's $153,000 in 2026. For married couples filing, jointly, is $242,000 as a couple filing, again, like I said, jointly. So if you don't go over those income limits there, you can basically, deposit or contribute into that Roth IRA account up to, I believe it's $7,000 per year is what it is. Okay. And you can have a catch up of either $1,000 if you're over the age of 50 years old, just as well. But anyways, what I'm trying to tell you is these are vehicles in which will help you receive some passive income, throughout time, especially. So these three options are great options. There are other options out there, but again, you can speak to a financial advisor. You can speak to a CPA. Those people will help you provide some ideas to where you can actually take your money that you're making and profiting the income wise and position it in other areas. Okay. I mean, there's just really, there's other greater ways to really stretch your money and make it grow even faster than that. If you have the interest and time to really invest just as well. I mean, you can invest in real estate just as well. So there's a lot of options out there. But again, for someone as an individual who's really seeking to, seek, long-term growth and have a means of retirement, for those also, which is passive income, for those also who are seeking somewhat more immediate, passive income. It could be, your high yield savings. It could be also, investing into, some dividend paying ETFs or mutual funds or different areas within the markets you can invest your funds, your profits or income, trading income into. So again, I'm providing showing a way or a strategy of how I actually trade personally, and it's worked for a lot of people, especially those that are part of my Discord. We have newcomers and people who have, been with us for a while. Like I said, the strategy works. It's all about what you put into it. There's nothing wrong if you have your own strategy just as well, because the information I'm sharing today is just, hey, how can you really take the money, your hard-earned money that you are profiting from day trading, whatever strategy you're using, and really being able to, make money while you sleep. So you could actually make money, while you sleep when you're trading too. For those that are more like position swing style traders, you can take trades, put them on, as long as you're setting up your parameters, your safety net areas, meaning your stop loss and profit targets, and where you want to take profit at, so that the market doesn't really, flush you in a sense, okay, or cause you to go into drawdown, whatever the case is. But you can make money while you're sleeping, even trading within the actual markets yourself. But that's not the type of trading I do. I like to take the money I make from day trading, the income, and then reinvesting it back into my life and other areas. That way I can receive some means of passive income and set myself up for retirement just as well. Okay, but there's other ways too. You can open up a full-on investment brokerage account. I have that. So nothing wrong with that. You just have to find what works for you. And that's why talking to someone who is a financial advisor or CPA can definitely help point you in the right direction by looking at your situation, because everyone's situation is actually different. Okay. That's all I have, guys. I appreciate everyone who tunes into the video content. If you're interested, like I said, in understanding and learning a great strategy that has helped so many profit from the actual markets in reference to and finding a way or a system that has helped them, open the door, open their eyes to becoming on the track of being consistently profitable, you may want to give the strategy actual try. You may definitely want to become an elite or an ultra elite supporter, so you'll receive that backdoor access to that private community where I'll really break down my trades. That's where I go into detail about structure, about the trade breakdowns. What was I looking at when I took those trades? Like today, I did a live recorded trading session. I posted that for the ultra elite supporters. Okay, several times a week. I also do trade breakdowns where I post my trades over in the Discord, but then I break down the trades in detail so that the private community members who are part of the elite and the ultra elite supporter understand the premise behind every trade that I take. Most people, like I say, are visual. So when you learn something, by watching a video content or watching somebody explain something, and then things start to kind of, click and unfold for you, because trading is not complex. It's very simple, but you got to put the time in to really carve out your own edge or use someone else's strategy that can help you become profitable just as well. So that's why I go into great detail about the strategy and how I trade. And it has helped a lot of people out to really help them position them and put them on their way. Some people have taken the strategy, twisted it, added their own little flavor to it, and found a means that works for them. That's the beauty about trading. You got to find what works for you. For me, I trade, say for example, range bar charts. I don't trade time-based charts, and a lot of people have converted over from trading time to range based on the strategy and how I trade. Seriously, okay? Strategy works. You have to give it time, and you have to put in the work. You have to back test, forward test. You have to go through a process of demo and simulation to see how consistent you can be using it, all right? A lot of people are going the prop firm route. So here's a great strategy that can help you, possibly, pass that actual challenge and position you on your way to having a live account, okay? It all depends up to you. Now, I can't guarantee anything to anyone, because I'm going to tell you now, everybody, you should know this, is different. We all have different personalities. Our perspective and outlooks of trading is totally different. But I'm here to tell you that it's something that you can actually learn if you put in the actual time. Okay, I can't help people when it comes to confidence and the psychology. That is all within yourself. I can tell you the factors and the reason why people are suffering, or falling victim to when it comes to trading. Breakouts or certain key things that may be holding them back. But I can't help you get over that. You have to help yourself get over that. Okay. Outside of that, guys, that's really all I have. I appreciate everyone that tunes into the actual channel. Again, I hope you found some insight and some value into this video. If you're interested in becoming an elite and an ultra elite supporter, again, and gaining access to the private community, the link is down in the description portion of the video, as well as the Discord link. Now, if you are not a current subscriber, please take the time to sub by clicking the sub button right now. Make sure to click the bell as soon as you do that and turn your post notifications on. And last but not least, please drop me a like by clicking that thumbs up button as soon as you click the subscribe button. Or if you haven't already done so, please click it right now. Take care. I'll see everyone in the next video.